Hi, today I wanted to share with you a tool called Mercury Reader. It's a Chrome extension that is good for when kids might read articles online. Um, it just is a good extension to kind of have in your back pocket for kids that might get distracted a lot, okay? So here I have an article that students might read, and there's a lot of things around that they could click on as they're reading through. You know, they might get distracted by things on the side, and it just looks kind of busy. So this extension is called Mercury Reader. You'll find it in the Chrome Web Store, and to do that, if you just go to a Google search and type in Mercury Reader Extension, it'll take you to the Chrome Web Store, and it's called Mercury Reader. The symbol is a little rocket, and this button, if you don't already have it, will say Add to Chrome. And so what that will do is once you push that button, now I already have it, so it's asking me if I want to remove it, but once you install it, it'll show up here in your toolbar as a little rocket, just like this, like it matches that. But if it doesn't for some reason show up in your toolbar, you can always click this puzzle piece, and then you might just have to, uh, find it and pin it, and it'll take it. If you pin it, it'll put it up there. If it's not pinned, it won't show up. Okay. So, anyways, if you have a student, so you can download this into your student's account on their Chrome, through their Chrome account, and then what you do is whenever they have an article that you want to simplify to take away some distractions, so here's the article, all you have to do is go up there in that toolbar then and click on that rocket. It'll turn red and it will take all that distraction away. It just simplifies the page. It just is a much cleaner, easier to read experience for them. So I even find it helpful for myself. Just, it helps me read things online that are just busy and hard to read. So, if you have any questions about this, please feel free to ask, and I'd be glad to share more about it. Thanks.